quite common in electric guitars. Ground loops occur when there are multiple paths for current to flow between 2 points, and these typically revolve around the zero of potential or the grounds. In a word, the answer is no. In most guitars, there's only one path to ground, and that is through the jack. Passive internal guitar electronics are pretty straightforward, and really they only rely on the ground to provide a zero reference voltage for the signal. The pickups are the signal source where the movement of the magnetized guitar strings induces a current in the coil referenced to ground. The volume and tone pot use the same ground, and as long as there are no bad solder connections, the circuit will be quiet and well behaved. Noise problems in electric guitars usually stem from stray electromagnetic noise getting into the circuitry. The noise is minimized by keeping the wiring as short as possible and keeping the bridge, strings, and shielding electrically connected to the ground as well. Ground loops are not much of a problem within a guitar, but they are commonly encountered if you try to connect one guitar to multiple amplifiers. Hope this helps. Catch you later.